See if it'll come out.
Really?
Yeah. Well, then I can
It is pretty amazing. You come up down Hartford Road, all it is people like walking in the middle of the road. You know, hardly any cars.
I was walking up here earlier. What's up, man?
You ain't got a four-wheel drive, then you ain't going.
What happened? I was walking, and I went from the sidewalk, and I'm walking straight. I thought I was walking straight, but I was walking diagonal, and I'm in the center of the road, like, how would I get out here?
Stand right there.
Look at that, man! Up to my knees! I'm stuck! Hey, you're moving!
You got it! You got it! You got it! You got it, baby! You got it! We down here in Parkville, Stouffville! Rock and rolling! There it goes! Here it goes! Woo! Now! Woo!
You know what's gonna happen? He's gonna catch and grab one, he's gonna go boom, and he's gonna
Go, baby, go! Floor!
Hey! You got a shovel?
Yeah.
Let me see.
There's a lot of shovel, dude.
Let's show the whole street, bro.
That's a lot of shovel, man. I'm good.
He's kidding. Man, we down here in Parkville, and I think it's snowing hard. It's cold.